Let's do some dimensional analysis. Here's the problem we're going to solve. I hope you already have your parentheses drawn out. All right, I'll draw mine out right here. And we have a fraction times a fraction equals a fraction. Whatever number is here, you put right here, 746.03 decigrams. Put the unit because that unit's going to be helpful later on. Because ultimately we're trying to turn one unit into another. Whatever unit goes here, decigrams, you put down here, decigrams. And then whatever unit you want it to become slides right here on top, hectograms. Always there will be a 1 either here or here. Sometimes on top, sometimes on bottom. It's different, each different problem. How do we know where it goes? You take your King Henry, died by drinking chocolate milk. There's two D's here, deca and deci. You put an A with the top D because that's the deca. This doesn't have an A, so that means this is not decagrams, this is decigrams. So what we're going to do then is say, all right, we've got deci and hecto in play. Deci and hecto, which one is bigger? H is higher up. Whichever one is the bigger unit, higher up, gets the 1. The other one, you hop from one to the other, and it's 3 hops, D to B, B to DA, and DA to H. 3 hops means 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3, put a 1 in front. And then multiply across, well, cross cancel out those units because those are gone, they divide out. Multiply your numerators, 746.03, and then multiply across your denominators. This was a 1 there. 1 times 1,000 is 1,000. Divide on your calculator, and you get 0.74603. Always use your calculator on a test. It's too valuable to just take that chance. The only unit left is hectograms. And then box your answer and you're done. This mass is the same mass as what we started with, even though we multiplied it out. The reason why it's the same mass is because really this is a 1. All we've said is for every 1,000 decigrams, that's 1 hectogram. So this is the same number divided by itself. It's just different numbers because it's different units. So we really haven't changed the value of the number. It's the same mass if you held it in your hands. Now, some of you might need it even more broken down. Let's show you one other way to do the same problem really fast. If you really are confused by it, we'll do it one more time. And this is how you do it. Just take the problem I give you, if you have problems with setup, and draw your parentheses right over the top. Like this. Just build it right over the top. See how I built it right on top of the problem? Now, draw your line underneath. Put the 1 there, it always goes there as well. Then you put your decigrams down here, whatever number was there, that unit was there, goes there. And then you go to your King Henry. Hecto is bigger than deci. It's higher up on King Henry. So you put a 1 here. And it was 3 hops, and it's 1,000 there. You see, we're doing the same thing as we did here. He said, I just built it right over the top. If you like to build it right on top of the problem, then by all means, go ahead and do it that way. And then from that point on, it's the same, and you get to your answer here. But you can just build it right on top. It's really slick. And then one day, if you really want, you get good at it, you can write it out all the way. Hope this helps. Go do your homework. Your parents can help you if they couldn't before. We're going to do this. If you're still confused, ask me when you see me next time. All right. See you later.